Hi friends, in this video we would study how to calculate the running total using the scan function of Microsoft Excel. So here we have a sheet in which we have three columns. The first column is months, the second column is the sales figure, and the third column I want the running total. So first let us understand what we mean by running total. So running total means adding the value with the previous value. It means it would begin with 0 plus 488 and that value would come here. Then 488 plus 221, that value would come here. Then whatever is the value plus 735, that value would come here, and so on. So this is called as a running total. So let me show you how you can calculate the same using the scan function of Excel. So I will type equal to scan, open parenthesis, and now it is asking me the initial value. So let us take the first value as 0. After that we'll type a comma, and then it is asking me to select the array. So here I will select this entire array. Then I'll give a comma, and then I'll use a helper function like lambda. So I will type lambda, then it will ask me what is the first parameter. So the first parameter would be a variable, and let us give it the name as A. You can give the variable any name of your choice. Then I give comma. Now it is asking me the second parameter. So the second parameter would also be a variable, and let us give it the name as B. Then we give a comma, and now it is asking me that what you want to do with these two variables. So I want to add these two variables, so I type A plus B. Now I close the lambda function and I close the scan function and I hit enter, and you will get the running total for the entire column. So 0 plus 434 is 434. 434 plus 613 is 1047. 1047 plus 187 is 1234, and so on till the end. So friends, with this we finish this video. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.